today I'll be showing you a video on how to make a seed bomb. These seed bombs are great for throwing in public places as long as you have permission, or areas of your garden that aren't being used. So for your seed bombs you can use a variety of different seeds, but today we're going to use some wildlife garden seeds. So you will also need some compost, some water and some flour. So once you've added your compost, you then want to stir in the seeds and the compost together. So once you've finished stirring the compost and your seed mixture, you then want to add some flour. And then you also want to add some water. And this will give it a nice gluey consistency for the mixture. So if you find your mixture is too watery or too composty, then you can always add some additional flour to give it a thicker texture. Okay, so here comes the fun and the messy part, where we'll be making the compost and the mixture into golf ball sizes for our seed bombs. And we want to squeeze that together using our hands. And there we go. And there's one seed bomb. Okay, so once you've made your seed bombs, it's then time to throw them. So you choose your location, whether it's at a public place, but make sure you get permission before, or whether it's a patch in your garden that needs some more attention. So when it comes to throwing your seed bombs, it's best to throw them on a day that's not too dry, but maybe even predicting some rain, which will help to break down the seeds and help them to germinate.